concept of synchronization. First, I need to open the browser. Open the URL called online.actitime.com/vp vp/login.do. Then I need to enter username as saiviji0593@gmail.com. Password is Vijaya. Okay. That mail ID is Vijay Lakshmi's mail ID. I think not from your batch, I guess so. It is from some other batch. Okay. I'll send you these usernames and passwords also to you later. I need to log in. After logging in, I need to click on log out. This is what I have to do. Let's start doing that. 299, right? Okay, first open the browser. I had opened the browser, then I had opened the URL. Then I had entered username, password, clicked on login. After logging in, I had clicked on logout. If I run this, will it work properly? Will it work properly, guys? It is opening the browser, maximizing the browser, opening the URL. So opening the URL, enter the username, password, click on login. After that, it has thrown an error. What is that error? It clearly shows that no such element exception. No, it is unable to identify this element. In that case, what I have to do here after logging in? What I have to do here, guys? I need to wait. I need to wait. Yes. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Are you looking for any testing training? Yeah. Yeah. 2 minutes, guys. Yeah. See, the complete course duration is 1.5 minutes. Geeta, okay. I'll send you the Zoom meeting link to you. Geeta, do you have WhatsApp on the same number? Ping me hi and Geeta in WhatsApp so that I can send you the Zoom meeting link. Thank you. Yeah. I have to wait here. What I can do if I want to wait, I'm going to use thread or sleep of 20,000 milliseconds. That is 20 seconds. If I run this, what happens here? It will open the browser, open the URL, then it will log in. Then it will log in. It will wait for 20 seconds. See, uh, let it enter the. So I think laptop. I mean, network is very slow today. See, some problem is happening. Let it open the browser. Open the enter username 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. In 14 seconds, it has loaded. The remaining 6 seconds, it will wait. The remaining 6 seconds, it will wait. After that, only it will click on logout. After that, it has logged out. But we are doing automation to save time. But here, we are doing automation and I'm wasting the time here. Am I correct? Yes or no? Yes. But that's why, okay, sir, can we reduce to 14 seconds? 14,000 milliseconds. Yes, you can do it. But if internet is too fast, if it loads in 4 seconds itself, the remaining 10 seconds it will waste still. If I give less time of 5 seconds like that, again, if internet is slow, it will be a problem. Okay, that's why I cannot give less time or else I cannot give too much time. I cannot give less time or else I cannot give too much time. I cannot give less time or else I cannot give too much time. In that case, we should never ever use thread or sleep in real time. We will never ever use thread or sleep in real time. We'll never ever use thread or sleep in real time. In that case, what we are going to do here, in that case, what we are going to do here, we are going to use driver dot manage dot manage dot time nodes dot implicitly wait 30 time units dot seconds time unit dot seconds. See what I did here after logging in, it will, I've given 30 seconds, but I've given implicitly wait. Let me run this. It will open the browser, open the URL actitime.com. Then it will enter username and password. System is, I mean, internet is too slow today, guys. It's taking too much time. Let me check. It has entered username, password, clicked on login. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds. It has loaded. The 9th second it has logged out and it has came out. Did it wait completely for 30 seconds here? No. It's not waiting completely for 30 seconds. That is what does implicitly wait does in the sense every second it keeps on checking whether the page has loaded, whether the page has loaded, whether the page has loaded. If it loads, the next second it will go to the next line of execution. If it loads, it will go to the next line of immediately it will go to the next line of execution. Immediately it will go to the next line of execution. Immediately it will go to the, if it doesn't load even in 30 seconds, then it will throw you an error. In that case, is it better to use thread or sleep or implicitly wait? Which one is better? Implicitly wait is better. Implicitly wait is better. That's why. See, anyhow, I am not going to wait 30 seconds. Why can't I give 100 seconds or 1000 seconds like this? Can I give more time? Yes. But we should not give. Why? We should not give more time. Why? Because intentionally, if there is an error, if there is a problem in the website, and if it is not loading for even more time, then it will take, or else if there is a bug in the application, it will take almost 100 seconds, which is more than 1.5 minutes to throw the error. That's why don't give too much time. Why can't I give less time of 10 seconds? Can I give less time of 5 seconds or 10 seconds like this? Can I give less time? No, why? Why can't I give less time? If it intentionally, if there is an error and if it is taking time to load, then in that case, it will throw you an error. That's why don't give too much time or don't give less time. We'll be giving 30 time units dot. Either we can give seconds, hours, milliseconds, but I need 30 seconds. That is what the standard practice. What most of the companies they will use 30 seconds. Most of the projects, few projects they will be telling you to use 25 seconds. If it is a high speed project, if it is completely reliable on the time and all those things, then they will tell you to put 25 seconds. But most probably we'll be using 30 seconds only in real time. Okay, this is what driver.manage.timeouts implicitly wait. I have logged out. After logging out, again I will fall back to this page. Then again second time I am going to click on, I am going to log in. I am going to click login. Then I am going to click on logout. Then I am going to click on logout. This is what I am going to do. Then I am going to click on logout. Login. Then I am going to click on logout. Now here second time either I didn't use thread or sleep or implicitly wait, but will it work properly still? If I run this program, will it work properly, guys? No. Thread or sleep or implicitly wait, something I have to give, but I didn't give. But still, this will work properly. Why? Because if you use implicitly wait once, that is applicable for all the next coming lines. Why? Because driver object itself will be assigned with implicitly wait. Driver object itself will be assigned with implicitly wait. Okay. So that wherever you use driver.find element, after logging out also it checks whether the page has loaded. After entering username, it checks whether the page, whatever it is rotating here, right, it has stopped or not. It will keep checking after each and every line. This is what. After each and every line, it checks whether the page is loaded, whether the page is loaded and all this. That's why this implicitly wait. As soon as we open the browser and URL, as soon as we open the browser and URL, we will be able to put this. As soon as we open the browser and URL, we will be able to do this. Yeah. Tell me. For all the next coming lines from here onwards, wherever you use driver dot find element, driver object itself will be assigned with implicitly wait. Wherever you use driver dot find element, for those lines it will be applicable for all the lines. Understood? Okay. Again, no need to use again at all. That's why what we do, as soon as we open the browser and URL, we have to put that so that going further, wherever we want to synchronize, it will synchronize automatically. Understood? Yes. Okay. See, what is synchronization? Synchronization refers to matching the speed of script execution with the speed of application. Every driver.find element checks if implicitly wait is defined. If it is defined, WebDriver will wait for the amount of time specified in implicitly wait. Yes, it will continue. Next line, and immediately the next second it will go on. It max to max, it will wait for 30 seconds. If it loads in 3 or 4 seconds, the fifth second it will go to the next line of execution. Okay, fine. Okay, sir. We have did everything. Now let me go to the previous some login logout. Now, if I run this, will it work properly? Up to login only. I didn't do anything beyond that. Yes, it will work properly. But after driver.get, it is taking some time to load the page. But I didn't use any thread or sleep or implicitly wait, but still it is working fine. Why? Why? Because get method has automatic synchronization inside it. Only get method. Okay, here it will wait for the page to load. Then only it will go come to the next line of execution. Then only it will come to the next line of execution. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Can we use thread or sleep if I am using implicitly wait? Can I use thread or sleep if I am using implicitly wait? Just a minute, guys. Can I use thread or sleep if I am using implicitly wait? Yes, I can use it. There is no harm in that. Because thread or sleep is completely from Java. Thread or sleep is completely from Java. Whereas implicitly wait is completely from WebDriver. Both can be used. There is no doubt in that. Both can be. can be there. See, thread sleep, what it does, it just wait for the amount of time specified in implicitly wait. Okay, whereas it doesn't deals anything with the application. Whereas implicitly wait is not like that. It completely deals with the application. Both can. Here, what happens in this case? After logging in, it will wait for 10 seconds. Then it will continue the next line of execution. Understood, everyone? Yes. Yes. Let me give you some notes for this concept of synchronization. See here. Synchronization refers to matching the speed of script execution with the speed of application. In WebDriver, we can use implicitly wait to achieve synchronization. How does it work? Every driver.find element checks if implicitly wait is defined. If it is defined, WebDriver will wait for the element to be found with the duration specified in implicitly wait. And if the element is found within the duration, it will try to perform the action. And if the element is not found within the duration, it will throw an exception, no such element exception. Implicitly wait is defined once for the automation. Driver.manage.timeouts.implicitly wait. Take on this. Take down this quickly. క్లాస్ చెప్తాను బ్రో ఇంట్లో ఏమి సార్. If you are done, let me know what's done. Can we reconnect the meeting once? Yes. హలో ఎవరు నేను ఇక్కడ ఇంట్లో ఉన్నాను. హలో నంబర్ నుంచి చెప్పు రాబర్ట్. నాకు లిమిట్ రీచ్ అయిపోయింది రేపు తల్లాప వేస్తా కావాలంటే నాకు లిమిట్ రీచ్ అయిపోయింది నేను అందుకోసం ఇప్పుడు వేరే పిల్లలు షాప్కి పంపిస్తాను మెకానిక్స్ పంపిస్తుంది ఇందాక వచ్చి తీసుకొని వచ్చారు చూడు వాళ్ళు నేను పంపించిన పిల్లోడే నాకు లిమిట్ రీచ్ అయిపోయింది శుక్రవారం కదా మేము పేమెంట్ చేస్తాము ఏమనుకోవద్దు లేకపోతే అర్జెంట్ అయితే చెప్పి వేరే ఎవరితో చెప్పి వేయించాలి ఫోన్ చేసి నేను ఇంకా అర్జెంట్ అంటే నేను మీటింగ్ లో ఉంటాను 9 గంటలు 9:30 మళ్ళీ ఫోన్ చేసి మీటింగ్ అయిపోయి వేరే వాళ్ళతో పంపిస్తాను పంపిస్తాను వేరే వాళ్ళతో పంపిస్తాను సరే మరి ఓకే. Yes. Next, I want to. Okay, I have logged in and logged out. Right. Mm-hmm. Sometimes what happens here? See, listen carefully. I'm entering this username. I'm logging in. After logging in, see whatever it is rotating here, it has stopped. But this table is taking some extra time. Did you notice this, everyone? See, in that case, what happens if you use see? Imagine that if logout link is taking some extra time. If this logout link is taking some extra time than this page load, if you use implicitly wait, right, it won't work. If you use implicitly wait, it will check whatever the page it is, whatever it is rotating here, it has stopped. It will not check for each and every element. For example, if logout link is taking some extra time, if logout link is taking some extra time, if this logout link is taking some extra time, then you cannot. This, I mean, it will throw you an error. In that case, especially I want to wait for this logout link. Intentionally, I have to wait for that logout link. Explicitly, I have to wait for that logout link. In that case, implicitly wait won't work. You have to use explicitly wait. Explicitly, I have to wait for that logout link. How to use explicitly wait? WebDriver wait equal to new. Wait equal to new. WebDriver wait. Driver 25 seconds. Wait dot until. Wait dot until. expected conditions dot visibility of element locator, visibility of element locator by dot id. I am going to wait for this, only for this logout link. Max to max, how much time it will wait? I have created a wait and I have applied this wait for this. Max to max, how much time it will wait? 25 seconds. Imagine that if logout link is loaded in 5 or 6 seconds, still will it wait for 25 seconds? No. Will it wait for the complete page? It will wait only for that logout thing. That to max it will wait. Intentionally, if I want to wait for a particular element, then you have to use this explicitly wait. See, if all the elements are loaded within the time frame of the page, then you don't want to use explicitly wait. If a particular element is taking long time to load the page, load inside the page, then you have to use explicitly wait. Very, very important interview question. What is the difference between implicitly wait and explicitly wait? Implicitly wait time is applied to all the elements in the script. Only those elements which are intended by us. In implicitly wait, we need to specify the conditions on the element to be located. In explicitly wait, we specify the expected conditions on the element to be located. It is recommended to use when the elements are located with the time frame specified in implicitly wait. It is recommended to use when the elements are taking long time to load and also for verifying the property of element like visibility of element located, element to be clickable, element to be selected. Take down this. Have you completed everyone? Quick, quick, quick. Only 2 minutes. Have you completed, guys? Yes. Now, we have saw implicitly wait, explicitly wait, thread or slip. There is one more wait called fluent wait. We will never use that fluent wait in real time, but just for theoretical purpose, we have to learn that. See, I want to wait for a particular link, like logout link. But every 5 seconds, fifth second, 10 second, 15 second, 20th second, like that, every 5 seconds, I need to keep on checking whether the page has loaded or not. In that case, I can use, in that case, I can use fluent wait. Fluent wait is used to tell the WebDriver to wait for a specific condition, as well as the frequency with which we want to check the condition before the regular interval of time. Fluent wait. See what I'm doing for a total of 30 seconds. Every 5 seconds, I'm keep on checking whether the page has loaded, whether the page has loaded or not. In that case, I can use fluent wait. Fluent wait is used to tell the WebDriver to wait for a specific condition as well as the frequency with which you want to check the condition before throwing an exception. This is what. In a total of 30 seconds, every 5 seconds, I'm making that fluent wait and I'm applying this fluent wait here. This we will never use it in real time anywhere. No need to worry about that. Only theory question you will get it on this. See, for a total of 30 seconds, every 5 seconds, if I'm checking, how many times max to max it will check? 6 times max. Yes, that's it. This is what all about fluent wait. No need to discuss much about this fluent wait because we won't use that in real time anywhere. Fluent wait is used to tell the WebDriver to wait for a condition as well as the frequency with which we want to check the condition before throwing an exception element not visible exception. Frequency setting up the repeat cycle with the time frame to check to verify or check the condition at the regular interval of time. Take down this.